In an earlier lecture, we take some basics of unit, and now in this lecture we move towards the again next level of unit conversion. So I take a revision in a 1 minute. We have to memorize these things, that centi prefix which we use in front of basic unit. Centi 10 to the power minus 2, milli 10 to the power minus 3, nano 10 to the power minus 9, micro 10 to the power minus 6, deci 10 to the power minus 1, and in positive kilo 10 to the power 3, and giga 10 to the power 6. Armstrong unit also there, many unit, many prefix we use, but I take only this 7. So I hope that you memorize it. And one example I again take, if I have to convert 5 gram into milligram, then what I can do, just in a first step, we have to separate this prefix and basic unit. Okay, prefix is milli and basic unit is gram. It never change. Gram is gram. Everywhere gram is there. We have to change the milli. Sometimes we have to remove the milli. Sometimes we have to add the prefix. Sometimes we have to remove the prefix. So it is here gram is there, and we have to add the milli. So what is the value of milli? Value of milli is 10 to the power minus 3. Then what we do? 5 is as it is. Whatever may be number there, we keep it as it is, 5. Then we have to add the milli. Hence 10 to the power minus 3 is the value of milli. So I add opposite value also there, 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram. Means this value and this value is same. 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power minus 3 cancel, then 5 gram only. Okay. Then next step, what I do, 10 to the power 3, I write milli in place of 10 to the power 3 and gram. So this is the value of milligram. 5 into 10 to the power 3 milligram means 5 gram. Okay. And now we see another example, inverse and square cases. Suppose I have to convert 10 to the power 2 centimeter square into meter square. I have to convert centimeter square into meter square. And in a square cases, what I have to do? 10 to the power 2, I write it as it is, 10 to the power 2, because value we have to write as it is. Then centimeter square, I separate centi and meters. It is centimeter square, but square is on that prefix also and that unit also. So what I do, centi square and meter square. In actual example, you do not have to write these things, but for understanding unit or to make perfect in unit conversion, in practice you can do like this. Okay, I separate centi square and meter square. Here I write it as a centimeter square, but here I separate the prefix and basic unit. Then I know the value of centi, C. What is the value of centi? 10 to the power minus 2. So I write 10 to the power minus 2 square. Centi square means 10 to the power minus 2 square. Then 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 centi square. We multiply this with this. 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. So centi square is converted into meter square. Then again one example. Suppose 0.5 milligram square is there, and I have to convert into gram square. So then what I do, keep 0.5 as it is, then I separate this prefix and basic unit. meter square into gram square. It is just for your understanding, okay? It is just for your understanding. Don't write it as in actual exam paper. Don't separate like this. You have to write the direct value, but in your mind you have to do such calculation, okay? So meter square and gram square are separate. Then what I have to do, I simply have to, milli square and gram square are separate. This is milligram, okay? This m is for milli. Then what I have to do, I have to enter just value of milli. What is the value of milli? 10 to the power minus 3. Then 10 to the power minus 3 square into gram square. Then 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 2 means 10 to the power minus 6 gram square. This is the conversion of milligram square into gram square. Do you understand? यहाँ पे क्या किया है कि मिलीग्राम स्क्वायर है, तो मिलीग्राम स्क्वायर के लिए मैंने मिली को भी स्क्वायर लगाया और ग्राम को भी स्क्वायर लगाया। ग्राम का स्क्वायर जैसे का वैसा रहेगा। अब मिली स्क्वायर, मिली की वैल्यू कितनी है? 10 टू द पावर माइनस 3, तो मैंने उसको भी स्क्वायर कर दिया, तो वो हो गया 10 टू द पावर माइनस 6। अब ये आ गया 0.5 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 6 ग्राम स्क्वायर। सो लाइकवाइज वी हैव टू चेंज द यूनिट। अगेन आई टेक next example, 10 to the power minus 6 per centimeter square is there, यानी centimeter to the power minus 2, and I have to convert it into per meter square, okay? Then how can I convert it? I have to simply separate these two, means 10 to the power minus 6 into centi to the power 10 to the power minus 2 into meter to the power 10 to the power minus 2. Prefix and basic unit I separate. This is centi square, and this is meter square never change, it is meter square only, okay? Then what I have to do, centi, I know the value of centi, value of centi is 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2 is the value of centi, and again power is minus 2, I keep power minus 2, and meter inverse square is as it is, and 10 to the power minus 2 into this minus 2 is equal to 10 to the power minus 4, hence 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. So this is the way to solve the example of a square, cube, anything is there, okay? So I think you understand it. If not understand, again watch it repeatedly what step I am doing, and you practice the same example first. After practicing it, I again write here few example, solve it. Decimeter square is equal to how many meters square? Millisecond per square. So you have to solve this example, try to solve, and after solving this example we again move forward to next level example, okay? Then now what I have to do, just 10 meter square, and I have to convert into centimeter square. In earlier example we remove the prefix. In this example we have to add the prefix, okay? In earlier example we take example like centimeter square into meter square, so we just have to put the value of centi in there. Now we have to add the prefix, when we add prefix in our given value there is no centi, but we have to convert it into centi. So in such a case, now centimeter square means centi also have square and meters also have square. Okay, these things you should have to consider. Centimeter square means centi also have square and meter also has square. So what is the value of centi square? What is the value of centi square? Centi square value, centi value is 10 to the power minus 2 to the power 2, means 10 to the power minus 4. 10 to the power minus 4 is the centi square value. 10 to the power minus 4 is a centi square value. Focus on this value and try to understand what I did. Centi square, I separate centi square and meter square and calculate the value of centi square only. Centi square value is 10 to the power minus 4. And I have to put there centi square. In my original value there is no centi, and I have to add the centi square value or centi square there. So what I do, I take opposite value of this, 10 to the power minus 4, then I write 10 as it is. 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. Then next step 10 into 10 to the power 4. And I know the 10 to the power minus 4 value means centi square. I write it as a separate and meter square. This is centi. And then 10 into 10 to the power 4 centimeter square. Okay. So write down it, practice it first. Only same example you practice. Then next example. 2 meter cube means how many millimeter cube? Millimeter cube. Okay. So what I have to do? I have to add milli here. Milli means millimeter cube means milli cube I have to add here. Okay. So what is the value of this millimeter cube? Means milli also have cube and meter also have cube. I have to separate it in my mind only. Okay. Then I calculate what is the value of milli cube. 10 to the power minus 3 is the value of milli, and again cube means 10 to the power minus 9 is the value of milli cube. 10 to the power minus 9 is the value of milli cube. So what I do, I keep 2 as it is because it is original value, and I have to add a milli cube here. Hence what I did, I keep opposite value of milli cube. 10 to the power minus 9, then I have to keep here 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 9 milli cube. Okay. And then 2 into, these two are opposite value, they cancel each other. But I have to write down it because to solve the unit. And 2 into, now I keep 10 to the power 9 as it is, and I know 10 to the power minus 9 means milli cube. This is the value of milli cube into meter cube. Means 2 into 10 to the power 9 millimeter cube. 2 into 10 to the power 9 millimeter cube. This is the example, and likewise you have to solve the unit conversion.